Ooh, crispy pork belly, people. Let's get involved. Hello and welcome to BBQ Jams. Guys, hold on one second. It's so hot out here. Hang on. Oh my God, that is just, it is what it is. We're having a good time. Let's keep rolling, people. We're gonna have a killer episode tonight, by the way. We're cooking up some crispy pork belly. It's going to rule, it's going to be killer. You guys need to hang tight, get involved with some of this, and also get involved with some of these jams. Who do we have coming over tonight? Guys, we have Brett Norton coming in, killing it. We haven't had him in here in a minute, so I can't wait to have him in, along with Alex Sears. Gonna be killing it on the keys. He's gonna be slaying it, burning them up. We also have his brother Greg Sears coming in, killing it on the guitar as well, and Kerry Jordan slapping that bass. We gotta have it, man, come on. And myself, Will Bloomberg on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved. Boom! So here we go. We have some pork belly. Let's remove the packaging. We don't want to cook that. That wouldn't taste very good, right? All right, so what we're gonna be doing with this pork belly is, on this pork belly, we're actually going to be removing the skin. You can keep it on if you like, but on this one, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. So I'm gonna be cutting this pork belly into about 1/2-inch slices. I'm gonna be putting a Japanese barbecue sauce on for a binder, this Bachan's, and then also using some of my BBQ Jams OG BBQ Rub on there. We're gonna be smoking on the green egg for about 2 hours, about 250, 275, somewhere in there. After we're done with that, we're gonna be popping them in the air fryer, believe it or not. Yes, I know, the air fryer, it's weird. 350, 10 minutes, we're gonna crisp them up and they're gonna be killer. And we're gonna be using this Bachan's dipping sauce afterwards. You guys hang tight, like, subscribe, check out these jams. Let's get involved. So we are going to leave the skin on. It is turning out to be a major pain in the butt to get this off of here, and we're in a time crunch. So we're gonna leave the skin on. So now that we have our slices of our pork belly taken care of, now we're going in with some of this Japanese barbecue sauce for a binder. And some BBQ Jams Rub. And we're gonna be popping it on the green egg. By the way, you can get the BBQ Jams OG Rub on shopthemerchco.com and pick up a bottle. Support the channel. It's a good time, guys. You'll love the rub, too. It's really good. Let's put some rub on here and pop them on the smoker. We've got the green egg ripping. About what are we doing? 275. And we're gonna cook these for about 2 hours. And we're gonna be popping them in the air fryer. I know it's kind of unusual, but we're gonna bring the air fryer outside, have a little fun out here, cook them up, crisp them up, and then dip them. They're gonna be unreal. So, you guys hang tight. You'll see here in just a minute. Popping them on the pit, 275. See you guys back here in a minute. Woo. Y'all enjoying these jams? I'm jamming over here. Come on now. All right, guys, we're up to temp. We're gonna pull them, and we're getting ready to pop them in the air fryer. So check this out.
Yeah, on the King Street.
It's a lot of bacon. All right, let's throw these guys in the air fryer. Crispy pork belly, people, come on. So we're gonna go in with. Okay, guys, we're gonna be in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You know the deal, people. Come on, let's get involved. Go. All right, so here we go. We're gonna pull them. They're looking great, guys. They're bubbly. Oh my God, they're looking great. Smell delicious. Getting ready to pop some more on here, and we're gonna be testing these out here in just a moment. So you guys hang tight. Woo! Look at that. Let's get involved, people.
Is that saved up Cooper belly?
Good. Yeah.
So I bought out.
All right, so I have the band here for the jam this evening, and we're going to get involved with some of this crispy pork belly. So I hope you guys are ready to get involved, right?
Yeah.
Excited? So come on in, everybody grab a piece. I'm gonna grab this guy right here.
Grab it all.
Oh yeah. And
Yeah, what are y'all gonna eat?
So I have a dipping sauce right here. Just grab one. Go for it. Or go for a halfie or whatever you want.
Go for a halfie.
Gonna start off with a halfie.
Thanks.
All right.
It smells amazing. Incredible.
Go for a dunk. Oh yeah.
Ladies first.
Oh, thank you, kind sir. You guys ready?
You wanna go together?
Oh man, yeah, let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jerry, Brett, come on in, guys.
All right, age before beauty.
Oh, dude, the Japanese sauce is unrivaled, I feel like.
Ooh, all right. Oh man, yeah.
Good?
Oh, good.
Oh, yeah.
Now, there is some pork belly skin on here too. It's got a little crunch to it.
Yeah, it's got a little chicharrone.
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 Oh man.
That is good.
Okay.
I'm into it.
A little different, right?
Perfect.
Oh, nice.
Perfect.
We're looking good over here. What do you? So you're enjoying? Everybody's looking like they're having a good time.
Absolutely. Man,
We'll go for the other half. We'll go for the other half.
it's like what you want bacon to be.
Oh, it is.
You know what I'm saying? Like
House-made bacon.
What I want
you know?
bacon to be.
Oh
Yeah.
Dude.
People at the grocery store just don't even know.
That's something different, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that good? Oh man.
I'm glad you left your skin on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I was gonna take it off, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave it on.
I got
see how it
good
goes.
teeth. It's fine.
Yeah,
I got good
exactly.
teeth.
I know, it is a little crunchy, but guys, oh man, you gotta try out this crispy pork belly. It's so good. Along with this dipping sauce too by Bachman's. That stuff is excellent. It's got a nice flavor to it too. This is really good. Oh man. I'm doing the double dip. I hope you guys don't mind.
Yeah, it's fine.
I just work.
I got her piece too.
Restraining all the.
Oh,
yeah, I was
God.
like restraining all the things.
Nice. Well, guys, I can't thank y'all enough for being here tonight and putting out some killer jams. I'm looking forward to it so much. And yeah,
Thank
it's
you
gonna be a
for
good
having me
time.
back.
Hey, my pleasure. Absolutely. We're gonna bring in some more people too.
Let's go.
I need to actually pull some more over here. I need to get some out of the air fryer. Oh, you're all
It's
good.
fucking good, man.
Here, they're not good.
Solver, you coming up?
You got a spoon?
Just drink it from the bowl, though.
I didn't bring my hair and makeup through here today. I think I'm doing all right. You'll catch me on the cover of GQ magazine next month. Great. Just look out for it.
I know you need a little heat power in it for that skin.
That's good.
I love that.
Crunchy, but it's good.
Yeah.
I love that. Like I said, I got good teeth.
Salter, get up there.
Hey, well, I gotta get more out here. I have one more piece left over here. James Sullivan, you gonna come in and check it out? All right.
I'll be fat.
Oh man.
Let me try one. Ooh.
I normally have to eat dinner before I come here, so every week I come, I'm like, man, I just fed my kid. But then this week I was like, I'm gonna hold back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold back. So whenever you get the rest out, you know, put them all on a plate, take them in there. Play the keyboard with it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wonderful.
All right, we got a order.
Approval.
Good job. Good job. Woohoo. All right. Woo. Yo.
Where's your hand towel?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hang on one second. I'll hook you up. Actually, I have some napkins and paper towels over here.
Hey, right here, Karen. Right here. I got you, dog. I don't care.
That's next level.
Good
That's next level love.
Good barb, guys. We'll be right back.
Ruin a shirt.
Hey guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, the crispy pork belly turned out incredible. What do you guys think? What do you? Woo! Yeah! Barbecue, woo! Incredible. The jams, of course, as always, we're killing it. By the way, I want to give a shout out to the merch company for the swag, as always. Thank you, Derek. Appreciate you, buddy. Also, like and subscribe. You guys know the drill. Come on! Let's get involved! Get involved! Come on.
Me being here adds production value.
Over top. Down low.
Yeah.
We're gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.
Damn.